Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now? First, connect to the T-Mobile Wi-Fi network from a laptop or phone. Once connected, open a browser and go to 192, 168, 12, 1 or launch the T-Mobile Home Internet app. Both work. Log in with the admin credentials found on the router sticker or the app prompt. If you use the app, grant any permission requests so settings load. Make sure you're on the local network, because remote changes won't apply without it. Once logged in, navigate to wireless or network settings. The label varies between Web UI and app. Find the SSID and password fields under 2, 4 GHz and 5 GHz. Change both if you run dual band for consistent access. Choose WPA2 or WPA3 security. Avoid WEP. Type a new, strong password, 12 characters or more. Mix letters, numbers, and symbols. Then save or apply changes. After the router applies changes, reconnect your devices using the new Wi-Fi password. Remember, smart plugs and TVs need updating too. If a device fails to connect, reboot the router and the device. Make sure you entered the password exactly, including capitalization and symbols. If problems persist, check for firmware updates in the admin menu, then consider a factory reset as a last resort. Back up any custom settings first. Contact T-Mobile support only if the issue remains unresolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.